Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Blued VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Blued experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Blued? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your private chats and profile data stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get caught exposed while using Blued. And they've all had their no logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your online activity or connections. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Blued users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Blued because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of phishing scams or fake profiles, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends for private chats or shared experiences. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your phone, tablet, and desktop all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Blued user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been tested and proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Blued user dealing with slow or spotty connections, it offers optimized servers to keep your chat smooth and video streams clear. Just keep in mind, some settings for speed might reduce encryption layers for lower latency. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Blued? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster loading times and glitch-free live streams. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady performance using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its speed varies depending on the server you choose. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, reliable connections and top-notch security are your main priorities for Blued. Go with IPVanish if you need unlimited device support and a super stable connection for multiple users. And finally, pick PIA if you're privacy conscious and want an open source app that's been proven to keep no logs. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Blued. See you soon.